Here's the thing about the Irish language, it's actually not that hard. We only think it's hard because we go from knowing some words in primary school to being asked to write essays about long stories and poems in secondary school. Hi, I'm Jenny and I am an Irish teacher, but now I actually help parents speak Irish to their kids at home. And really soon we have an Irish for Beginners, complete beginners starting soon. So that prompted me to pop on here and show you the easy things about the Irish language. Number one is that we use the same alphabet that we use in English. So the letters are the same, so you don't have to go learn a weird alphabet. Secondly, a lot of our sounds and how we say those letters are the same, although obviously there are differences because Irish is a Celtic language and English is a Germanic language. So learning words and simple sentences, especially to use at home or in everyday conversation, is really not that hard. Here's an example of a really short phrase that I'm going to do in the beginner Gaeilge, and it's just really easy to learn and really easy to use. Sin a means that's it. So if someone does something or says something right, you can be like sin that's it. Or if your child is doing something and they do something correctly, you can say sin that's it. So the IN is pronounced the same obviously, but the S has an SH sound. And because the E has a fada, it's long, so it's A. Agus sin